mejor equipo de la liga?
Well, actually, what I think about Bengaluru, I think we are facing the best team in the league.
Creo que mañana para nosotros es un reto importante.
I believe tomorrow's match for us is a big challenge.
Pero sí que es verdad que pienso que es una buena oportunidad en casa para conseguir 3 puntos que serían muy importantes ante un gran equipo.
But I think it's a good chance to get the 3 points at home and get some advantage.
Yes, he has been training the last 2 training sessions, and as far as we are concerned about that, in the last 2 training sessions there was no problem, so I hope that he can participate tomorrow. Yeah, we can say that Goa is playing a very nice football. They are scoring a lot of goals, so I think that it can be a very nice game because our mentality is also to play football and to score goals. So let's see. I think that it's going to be one of the teams arriving to the playoff, and we also will try to get that position. So I hope that it's going to be a nice show for all of us.
FC गोवा 5व्या ISLन टॉपार आसा खरें, पूण कांय तांचे जे गेमीचे भाग आसा तातूंत तांकां सॉलिडिटी अजुनूय येवपाची आसा. हाकाच लागून ब्रेस्तारा बेंगलुरू FC आड जावपी गेम म्हळ्यार गॉर्साचो स्टँडर्ड टेस्ट करपा खातीर एक रायट स्ट्रॅटेजी किंवा क्रायटेरिया आसा अशें आमी सगळे समजू शकता. कारण 5व्या ISLन टायटल कंटेंडर जावपा कडेन FC गोवाचें पावल पडलां काय ना हें आमकां ब्रेस्तारा रातीन कळून चुकतलें हातूंत कांयच दुबाव ना. सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी वांगडा हांव स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर नीरज प्रभू SAGच्या एथलेटिक्स स्टेडियम बांबोळे साकून प्रुडंटा खातीर.